Hey guys, today I decided to change something with the content I'm making. This time instead of the Python and Scratch series, where I'm interested in some math. So I've been doing a lot of a lot of the past papers of multiple choice questions from the Mathemania math competition, and particularly I want to share how I worked out the process says of the 13th problem from the 2025 Mathemania competition. The lower this is lower secondary, and I believe it's one of the hardest questions most people most for most people. But it's just another day in the office for me. So in the given diagram, All systems of all systems above are perfectly balanced. It is saying that the weight of the weight from one side is equal to the weight of the other. Given 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 the shapes in the diagram, what should be put in this question mark? We want to find what the question is saying. How many of these sea urchin looking things should we put such such that the weight of the total amount of sea urchins put is equal to the total number of this. Well, what I did first was to make calculations easier. So I substituted I substituted I substituted three unknowns, one for each weight. The weight of I set the weight of one star be A, the weight of one pentagon be B, and the weight of the sea urchin dinghy be C. From the first from the first scale above, 2A plus 2B is 3C. And then from the second scale, A plus 6B is 5C. Let's focus on the first equation. 2A plus 2B can be rewritten as 2 times of A plus B. We took a 2 out. We took 2 as common from A plus B, from 2A plus B. We take that, we shift that 2 to the left side by dividing both sides by 2. Now A plus B is equal to 3 over 2C, or B is equal to 3 over 2C subtracted with A. Let's now substitute that value of B to A. So A plus 6B becomes A plus 6 times 3 over 2C minus A, and that which equals to 5C. If we expand this, we get A plus 6 times 3 over 2 is 9. A plus 9C minus 6A is equal to 5C. A minus 6A is 5A. So 5A plus 9C is equal to 5C. Negative 5A, sorry, this should be negative 5A. We put 9C on the both sides, so this becomes 5C minus 9C, or negative 5A is equal to negative 4C, as 5 minus 9 is negative 4. We get rid of the negative, as both sides have negative, by multiplying both sides with minus 1. To get 5A equals 4C, or A as 4 over 5, 4/5 of C. We then substitute the value of A to the first equation. 2A plus 2B becomes 2 times 4 over 5C plus 2B is equal to 3C. This becomes 8 over 5. 8 over 5C plus 2B is 3C. Then we get that C on the other side to get 2B as 3C minus 8 over 5C. Or 2B is 7 over 5C. Well, we're not going to simplify B now. I'll tell you why later. So now we've expressed A and B in terms of C. Now all you have to do is add them to get this. So from the third scale, that's 2B plus 7A, that is 7 of these stars, plus 2 rectangles, is equal to what times C? We already know 2B as 7 over 5th of C. And 7A is just 7 times 4 over 5th of C. So 2B over 7A then becomes, we can group the fractions together so they have the same denominator. There should be C, my bad. 7 plus 7 times 4, 28, times C. 7 plus 28 over 5C whole, or 35 over 5C, or 2B plus 7A is equal to 7C. So that means the weight of two of these pentagons plus 7 of these stars is equal to the weight of 7 of the sea urchin looking thingies. And that's it.